Hello dear students, good morning to everyone. Dear students, in previous class we are discussed about the poem that is Believe. It means hope, faith. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ. Isn't it? Yes, in today's class we are going to discuss the second stanza that is also related to the previous class. Okay? Yes, dear students. In today's class, that is the first stanza describes that like this, dear students. Yes. Believe in love, believe in faith, believe in truth, believe that no matter what happens, you have the power to privilege. Okay? Next. Believe in strength, believe in courage, believe in honor. Believe that everyone has the power to be, yes, God. Heart. Okay? Yes, dear students, believe that everyone has the power to be a good at heart. Okay, dear students? Yes, the next. Yes, believe in song, believe in dance, believe in culture. Believe that no matter who you are or where you are from, everyone is unique. Okay? Then next. Yes. Observe that. Believe in time, believe in forever. Believe in you. Believe that as long as you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Okay? Believe that as long as you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Yes. Yes, dear students. Now I will explain the paragraph. That is first stanza and second and third and fourth. We already discussed about the first paragraph in the yesterday's class. Okay, in today's class we are discuss about the second stanza continue part. Yes, dear student, without delay let us start the poem, the poetry that is Believe. Okay? Yes, dear students, the first stanza is about believe in love, believe in faith, believe in truth, believe that no matter what happens, you have the power to privilege. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಸತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಭಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ as it is, we have to believe in love, faith, truth and relationship. Okay, then believe that no matter what happens, you have the power to privilege. Okay, so what happens or whatever it may be, so we have to do the work hard and we have to achieve our goal. Okay, privilege means achieve something, ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟಿಂದ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವನ್ನೋ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಪೊಯೆಟು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ when you are going to make the love relationship, that relation should be in love, truth, honest, purity and faith. Okay? Yes, next. Believe that no matter what happens, we have the power to privilege. So ನಾವೊಂದು ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. Okay, we have to do something Okay, we have to do something. We must keep in your mind, yes, I will do that work. Be confident, be hopeful. Okay, yes dear student, next stanza tells about that. Yes dear students, the second stanza: believe in strength, believe in courage, believe in honor, believe that everyone has the power to be a good at heart. Believe that everyone has the power to be a good at heart. Isn't it? Yes, I will explain now. Okay? Yes, dear students, believe in strength, believe in courage. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ಕರೇಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಧೈರ್ಯ. ಹಾನರ್ ಗೌರವ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಧೈರ್ಯ, ನಾನು ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ, ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ನಮಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾನರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಲವಾದ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್, ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನೇ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ they are ready to do anything. They have the good power, good knowledge. Okay, yes. So believe in strength. When you are believe in your strength, then you are getting a very good life. Okay, then when you are getting a good courage and when you are going to decide to do something with the help of belief, courage, strength, confidence, definitely you reach your goal. Then next you have to honor your work. Okay, then you have to give the respect to your work. Then we are getting the honor. Then we will go to reach my goal. Okay, we have to believe in your honor. Okay dear students, then next believe that everyone has the power to be a good at heart. Okay, yes, everyone. Okay, everyone has the power, everyone has the power and he will be good at in heart. Okay, yes dear student, this is all about the second stanza. Next I would like to move the next stanza, that is I think third. Okay, yes, you have to listen carefully. Okay, yes dear students, now the third stanza for you. Yes, believe in song, believe in dance, believe in culture, believe that no matter who you are or where you are from, everyone is unique. Okay, you have to clearly observe that. It's a very important line to you dear students. Yes, listen carefully. Believe in song, believe in dance and believe in culture. It means what? We have to believe in song ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವೊಂದು ಸಂಗೀತದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ನೃತ್ಯ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸಾಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ believe in dance. Okay, yes dear students, we have to do the good dance. We have to believe in your dance. Okay, in song, dance, work, truth, relationship, friends, so you have to believe your relationship. Okay, then next believe in culture. ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ believe that no matter who you are or where you are from, everyone is unique. What is the meaning of unique? Yes dear students, tell me the answer. What do you mean by the unique? Yes, unique means only one of its kind. Okay, only one of its kind. It means special. Okay, so whatever it may be, every human being have its own talent. Okay, we have to give the respect to all. Okay, they are having a very good talent. Okay, so we have to believe that in your work. Okay dear students, believe in your work. Then believe that no matter who you are or where are you are from, everyone is unique. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಡೆಗಣಿಸಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಪವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ you are ನೋಡಿ, here observe that are, then are. So pronunciation of the words is same but the meaning is different and spelling also different. Okay, so what is the indicator of that in grammar? What indicates or what represented in the grammar? Yes, very good, homophone. So pronunciation is same, spelling is different, meaning also change. That is called homophones. Already we are learned in last classes. Okay dear students, yes. Next I would like to move the last stanza. Okay, yes dear students. Yes dear students, now observe that is the last stanza. Okay dear students, yes. Believe in time, believe in forever, believe in you, believe that as long as you believe in yourself, anything is possible. What a good lines dear students. Observe that believe in time, believe in forever, believe in you, believe that as long as you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Okay, yes dear students, this is a very important line and very important and valuable line for you in your life also. Okay dear students, yes, observe that believe in time. Time means ಕಾಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕಾಯಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್. ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು, ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಳ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, believe in you. This is a very important line dear students. First you have to believe yourself. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಂಬಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಆದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ದೆನ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, believe that as long as you believe in yourself, anything is possible. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ? ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್, ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಂಬಿರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಂಬುತ್ತೀಯೋ ಆಗ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ದೆನ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಂಬುತ್ತೀವೋ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, isn't it? First of all, we have to believe yourself. Okay. Yes dear students, the poem is over. Then we have to observe that your comprehension of the stanzas. Okay, now I will recall the whole 4 stanzas. Okay dear students, yes, believe. First you have to believe in love. Okay, believe in love, believe in faith, believe in truth, believe that no matter what happens you have the power to privilege. Yes, the next, yes dear students, second stanza, believe in strength, believe in courage, believe in honor, believe that everyone has the power to be a good at heart. Okay, then next, believe in song, believe in dance, believe in culture, believe that no matter who you are or where you are from, everyone is unique. Okay, yes, the next stanza, believe in time, believe in forever, believe in you, believe that as long as you believe in yourself anything is possible. Okay, then next, believe. It was the poem written by Celso Varvo. Okay, then next dear students, so dear students, yes dear students, in today's class we are very important poem learned. Okay, in today's class we learned a very important poem, that is believe. Okay, that poem have a very huge meaning and valuable meaning. Okay dear students, then we have to move the next lesson in tomorrow classes. Okay, then now I will show the some pictures that is related to the poem. Okay, it's very meaningful for you. Yes dear students, I am already told that in the paragraph wise. Okay dear students, in the poem believe. Okay, I already told for you. Okay, so the first line is begins with like this, be yourself and you can be anything. Okay, be yourself and you can be anything. Yes dear students, yes dear students, the next, if you believe in yourself anything is possible. Dear students, observe that line, it's very important. Okay, if you believe in yourself anything is possible. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಂಬಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, then we are ready to able to do anything. If that is in hard work, we have to ready to do that hard work, because you have to believe yourself. Okay, so you are the strength of your life. Okay dear students, you are the strength of your life. Okay, then believe in your love, then believe in your faith, then believe in the truth, then believe in strength, believe in courage, then believe in honor, then believe your friends, believe your parents. Okay, then you have to believe good at heart, then believe in song, next believe in dance, believe in culture, the most important that believe in your good time. Okay, then believe in forever, next believe in you. Okay, yes dear students, thank you for watching this video, and I will send the notes in the WhatsApp group. Okay dear students, thank you, have a nice day. Okay, thank you.